Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here in the parking lot of CVS. And I'm ready to go in and do some fabulous deals, guys. We're actually going to get a Colgate Whitening Pen, which is $35 for absolutely free. We're going to get some free CeraVe, some other products. We're going to get some Dove body wash. So go ahead, get your cameras out, your phones out, so that you can make sure that you take pictures, and get your CVS app out so that you can go ahead and take download some of your CRTs. So guys, let's head on into the store and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so our first deal is going to be on some Dove body wash. And as you can see, the Dove body wash is buy one, get one 50% off this week. But when you buy two, you get an instant coupon on two at the coupon center or the CVS app. So once you buy your two, they should send you an instant coupon for $2 off two. So we're going to grab two today. So the first one we're going to pay full price of $9.79, and the second one we're going to pay half price, half of $9.79. So the second one we're going to pay $4.89. We'll just round that up to $4.90, okay? And then the other one we're going to pay say $9.80. So basically for two of them we're going to pay $14.69. Okay, or $14.70, however you want to do it. But what's nice is that when I scan this into my CVS app, I do have some CRTs that come off of here, and I have two $2 off CRTs. Now you can get any of the Doves. All of the scents are on sale for buy one get one, except you cannot get the smaller bottles, the 12 ounce. They have to be the 22 ounce. And let me show you what the CRT looks like so that you know what to look for in your app. So I'm bringing up the CVS app. I'm going to scan this so that you can see what comes up. So here, oh goodness, now it's asking me. Hold on, guys. I don't want to be in this. I don't want to do this. I just want to get the price. Okay, so when I scan this in the app, you see I have a $2 off two Dove body wash. And you see it says 10.3 to 22 ounce. And then I have another one, which is the same thing. So I'm going to get $4 off of two. But then I'm also going to use this coupon that came out in the save insert. It did expire on the 30th, but we know that our CVS's take expired coupons up to 14 days. So I have two of these. So that's going to be another $5 off. So that's going to be a total of $9 off our Dove body wash. But then I also have another coupon, which is I have a 2 off of 12. So that's going to be a total of $11 for our Dove body wash. I'm going to put that one back. I'm going to get one of the cocoa butters and one of the shea butters. So I'm going to get these two. Okay. So we'll head up to the register soon so that you can see what that comes out to be. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is on some CeraVe products. And the reason why I'm going to get these is because I have a few CRTs that is $5 off CeraVe products. And they attach to just about anything. They attach to these foaming facial cleansers that are $5.29. The moisturizing lotions that are $5.29. They also attach to the CeraVe hydration cleansing bars, as well as the wipes. So they attach to just about everything, but I'm going to, of course, I'm going to go the cheapy route, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually get the the CeraVe foaming cleansing bars. They're $7.59, and you can also get the hydrating cleansing bars. I'm going to get the foaming cleanser bars. Those are $7.59, and the CRTs that I have are $5 off CeraVe facial care. So I'm going to get 2 of those bars, and I'm going to use 2 of these CRTs. But then I also have this coupon that is $3 off any CeraVe product. So basically these are going to come out to be absolutely free for me. So I'm going to grab these 2, put them in the cart, and then we're going to move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so our next deal we're going to do is the Eucerin deal, which is spend $20, get $10 back. So that's like basically getting it for half price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these for $9.29, and I'm going to grab one of these for $10.49. So that's going to come out to like $19.70, which will get us to our 98% rule to get our $10 back in extra bucks. So I'm going to use those, but then I have a CRT in my CVS app that I'm going to use as soon as I can get my phone up here, which is $3. There you go. $3 off 10 any hand and body lotion. So that's going to bring that down to like $17.70. And then I'm going to use 2 of these $3 off coupons. You see they don't expire to $11.20. So that's going to be $9 off. And I'm going to get back a $10 CRT. So it's going to be like paying like $2 for 2 of these things of Eucerin. So I'd say that's an excellent deal. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay guys, so I saved the best deal for last. So I did this deal before, but when I did it before, I actually had to pay. This time, it's actually going to be a moneymaker. So it is on the Colgate White Overnight Whitening Pen. It is $35.49. Now, it may be like $37 at your store. And the reason I say that is because I was at another store and I think it was like $37.99. But at my store, it's $35.49. Even if it is $37.99 at your store, it'll still be free for you with the deal that we're going to put together. So it's $35.49, but when you buy it, you're going to get a $20 extra buck. Whoa! So that automatically brings it down to $15, right? But guys, what we're going to do is I have a 30% off CRT, and you see when I scanned it in the app, it does qualify. So I have a 30% off any CVS health brand products, like vitamins, pain relievers, digestive health, or whatever. So that is going to qualify. I'm sorry guys, that is not going to qualify. So if you use, I'm telling you, don't use that. That is not the right one. But what I have is I have a mailer that I received for 30% off my entire purchase, and it's through the 14th. Now, whenever you're using a coupon like this, just be careful that you don't pay with extra bucks. See, here's the coupon, 30% off my entire purchase. And the reason I'm going to use that is because that is going to really lower my out-of-pocket. I'm not going to use extra bucks to pay, because whenever you use extra bucks to pay for something with a percentage off coupon, it lowers the value. It lowers the value of your extra bucks or something. I get it mixed up, but I'm just telling you, do not use extra bucks to pay. Only use cash for this. Okay, so this is $34.99. We're going to take 70% off of that. So let me tell you what that is going to come down to. Okay, $35.49 times 30%.
Well, if you have your extra care card, please scan it now. To start, simply begin scanning.
Okay, so 30% of $20 of $35.49 is going to bring this down to $24.84. But guys, we're going to get this $20 extra buck back. So that's going to bring it down to just $4.84. But then we're going to submit this to coupons.com. And here is the coupon I'm putting up for you. You get $7 off, guys. Oh my God. That makes this a money maker. This is going to be a $2.16 money maker. So CVS is paying me $2.16 to take this whitening pen off of their hands. Guys, I'm gladly going to do that. So let me go ahead and grab this, put it in with the rest of my stuff. I'm going to head up to the register and we're going to see how we made it. Okay, guys, so here is our receipt for the Colgate Whitening Pen. I started with this one because it is my favorite deal. So you see the Colgate Whitening Pen was $35.49. I used the 30% off coupon, which took $10.65 off. So then that brought it down to $24.84. Of course, we don't talk about tax and things. So I submitted to coupons.com and got the $7 back for that. And then here is my $20 in extra bucks. So when you take the $27 from $24.84, that makes this a $2.16 money maker. Very, very good deal. My second transaction was the Dove body wash. They were buy one, get one 50% off. So the first one was $9.79. And the second one was $4.90, which is half off. Then I used the two $2.50 manufacturer coupons. I had a $2 off 12 for your next purchase. And then I had $2 off 2 select Dove CRTs, 2 of those. So all of that brought it down to $3.68. And that is what I paid out of pocket. I did not get any extra bucks from that. That's not an extra buck deal. But I think paying $3.68 for a bottle of body wash that's regularly $9.79 is an excellent, excellent deal. And then my third transaction was for the Eucerin and the CeraVe. So the Eucerin, the deal was spend 20, get 10 back. So I got the $9.29 one, the one for $10.49. That brings me to the 98% threshold. Then I got the 2 CeraVe foaming cleansing bars, which were $7.59 each. I used 2 $3 off manufacturer coupons for the Eucerin. And then I used 2 $3 manufacturer coupons for the CeraVe. Then I had a $5 off CeraVe facial CRT. And then another $5 off CeraVe facial CRT. But you see it only took $4.18 off because CVS does not give overage. It just brings the CRT down, the value of the CRT down. And then I had a $3 off 10 hand and body lotion CRT. And I used $11 in extra bucks to pay for this. So that's why you see my total is 0. And the $11 would have been for the Eucerin because the CeraVe comes out absolutely free. But then I got back $10 in extra bucks. So actually, I only paid 78 cents out of pocket for this. Where you see the CVS manufacturer coupon for 78 cents, that was actually a $1 extra buck. But because I only owed 78 cents, it lowered it to 78 cents. So when you add these 3 receipts up, it comes to a total of $2.30 out of pocket. When you add everything up, it comes to $2.36. When you add everything up, it is $2.30 out of pocket. And if you divide that by the 7 items, then that means we paid 32 cents per item. Guys, I'd say this is a pretty good haul, especially when the whitening pen was $35. between the whitening pen and the 2 things of Eucerin, that is like $55 in products alone. So go ahead, check your CRTs, match them up with your insert coupons. Make sure that you look on coupons.com to see what coupons you can get off of there. Combine your deals. And until the next time, keep on saving.